In the heart of the jungle, the adventures of Leo the lion, Cali the cat, Remy the rabbit, and Ella the elephant continued to inspire and amaze. They were always on the lookout for opportunities to help those in need, and this day was no different. As they explored the lush jungle, they stumbled upon a curious sight. A colourful parrot named Polly was perched on a branch, crying out in distress. Polly's feathers were tangled, and it seemed she couldn't fly. Leo, with his protective nature, was the first to approach. "What's wrong, Polly?" Leo asked kindly. Polly explained that her precious feathers had become ensnared in a thorny vine while she was searching for berries. She was trapped and couldn't return to her nest to care for her young parrot chicks. Cali, with her agile grace, leapt into action. With her nimble paws, she carefully unravelled the thorny vines, freeing Polly's feathers and allowing her to regain her ability to fly. The parrot was overjoyed and couldn't thank them enough. Their adventures continued, and soon they encountered a family of playful otters. The otters were building a dam, but their tools had been washed away by a sudden rush of water from the river. Remy, with his clever mind, devised a plan. They found logs and sticks to help the otters repair their dam. With Remy's guidance, they worked together to rebuild the dam, securing it even stronger than before. The otters were delighted and invited the friends to play in the river with them. As the sun began to set, they heard a deep, sorrowful cry from the jungle. It was a lost tiger cub named Tasha. She had wandered too far from her mother and was scared and alone. Ella, with her comforting presence, approached Tasha. Ella consoled Tasha, assuring her they would help her find her mother. With Tasha safely on her back, they ventured deep into the jungle, calling for Tasha's mother. The mother tiger soon appeared, her eyes filled with relief and gratitude. Tasha was reunited with her mother, and the jungle echoed with the joyful roars of the tiger family. As they made their way back to their cozy resting place, the friends knew that their adventures would continue to be filled with laughter, music, and, most importantly, helping those in need. They had once again made the jungle a better place, one act of kindness at a time. Stay tuned for the next captivating episode of Leo the Lion and Cali the Cat. A great friendship adventure where new quests, challenges, and heartwarming moments await our extraordinary group of friends.